Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good day, Mommy Sir. My name is Irene Villar Caputilla, 36 years old, single mom. I live in Poblacion, Quezon, Palawan, Philippines. I have two kids, ages 12 years old and 16 years old. I am undergraduate of Bachelor Elementary Education in Las Piñas City, Manila.
What? Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want for I want high salary for my kids, for their study and their for future.
Do you have working experience as a domestic helper?
Yes, Mom and Sir, I have working experience as domestic helper in 2 years. I'm in Qatar.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
My duties and responsibilities in my employer, I do household, cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing, and also taking care of baby.
Did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
Yes, Mom and Sir, I taking care of baby, also newborn baby.
Can you tell us how can you take care of them?
I taking care of them, bathing, washing, changing diaper, also sterilizing a baby bottle.
Aside from taking care of them, what is your skills?
Aside my skills, I do household like cleaning, washing, ironing, cooking, and also washing clothes.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Necessary as a domestic helper, I am loyal, trustworthy, lovable, and also hardworking person.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me because I am trustworthy, lovable, loyal, and also hardworking person. Have a nice day, Mom and Sir.